Hello guys, welcome to the second part for the Nmap series. So in this video we are going to see about the different scanning techniques in Nmap. So before that we had a little task in the previous video which is a TCP scan. So first we will go through the TCP scan, then we will continue with the scanning techniques, right? Okay, for the TCP scan, Nmap -st, then our network subnet mask. So to find this network subnet mask, type ifconfig ethernet 0 because I'm using ethernet connection, so I'm using ethernet 0. So my internet series is, IP series is 10 series. So what are we going to do is 192.168.10.0/24. Why I'm putting 24 here? Because I have a class C subnet, so that's why I'm putting 24 here. So TCP scan, okay, we are good to go. Enter. Let's close this. See, as you can see here, right? Scan report for 192.168.10.32, which is my router. It has 4 open ports, which is port 22 SSH, 23 telnet, 80 HTTP, and 1900 UPN. And another target, which is my host machine 103. It has all 1000 ports filtered and closed. And same as 104, which is the parent machine. It has all the ports closed and filtered. Okay. Now we will see about the scanning techniques. For the scanning techniques, Nmap. Actually, I said Nmap default has only 1000 port scanning ability, right? Nmap only scans for only top 1000 ports, but we have totally of 65,535 ports. So what if we want to scan the whole ports? So for that, Nmap -p then the target. We'll go for the scanme.org. scanme.nmap.org. Enter. But for the port scan, it takes a lot of time. You have to be patient or pick up a coffee to complete the scan. It takes a lot of time because it has to scan the for the total 65,000 ports, so it takes a quite little bit time to complete it. Okay, we'll see about the ports. See, ST is for the TCP scan. ST is for the TCP scan, and the P for all port scan, and V for verbose. What do you mean by verbose? Verbose means a detailed report which displays all details about the target. And -OG, it is for greppable output. And lastly, XML report. These two commands are for getting the output. I mean saving the result in a text file or a log file. Why this is important? Because if we do a scan for a lot of time, example we take with the port scan, it takes a lot of time. What if we accidentally close the terminal? Every scanning time and all that work is getting wasted, right? So for that issue, we are saving the scan output in a log file or a XML file. We can keep it in a log file or TX file, but why the XML report is important? Because if you are a pen tester or an ethical hacker, you need to submit a report of the scanning targets of what are the vulnerabilities you have. So for that you have to create a documentation for that. But to create document, it is a little tough for beginners. So we have some predefined tools for create a report for that. So we'll see about the tools later, but now let's see how to create a report, XML report for that. Okay, I think it's like more time. Okay, we'll go with the other commands. We'll come back when it's complete. Now we'll see about the verbose command. Nmap -s, small s v. What is SV? SV for service scan, service and service version scan. SV scanme.nmap.org. Show that -og. Output operator. Actually, first we'll change the directory. Where is it now? cd desktop. Now we'll type the command nmap -sv -og scanme.nmap.org. I think we are good to go. Enter. Oh, sorry. Result.txt. First we'll go for the txt, then we'll go for the XML. Enter. These scans don't take a lot of time, but the port scan takes a very lot of time to complete it. See, got completed. Let's see the file. Results.txt. See what I got. Okay, I'll show you the file which I've created. See the text file. This is Nmap scan initialization host scanme.org. State is up. The site is running, and it has port 22 open and port 80 open, port 3.133 port open. But what if you want the entire port result? Wait, we'll see about it. This is not yet. We'll use the same command, but we'll use the TCP scan 2.168.10.0/24 svst TCP scan. Change to TCP we'll see. We'll see about the verbose too. -v. Verbose means full detailed report. Like the scan got completed. Let's see the file here. Results.tcp. See here. It has scanned the 1000 ports, and what is it doing? It scans the each and every IP address of the network and says the status down, down, down. You scroll to the bottom of that. See, this is my router. Its status is up because it's running now, and it has port 22 open, port 23 open, port 80 open, 1900 open. Other than the 4 ports, balance 996 ports are closed and filtered. See, like this you can scan your network, your internal network, and find which hosts are up, hosts are down, and which hosts have the vulnerable ports open. We got the scan complete. This is the first scan. When we scan for all the ports, see, the scan for all the 65,530, sorry, 6535 ports. Oh yeah, 5 ports are here, and the rest of them are here. See, it has scanned all the 65,535 ports, and 530 ports are closed. Only 5 are open. So it is showing here. But for ethical hacking, or a hacker don't scan for all the ports. He just targets a single port, like a HTTP port or a 443 port, 80 port. Like this, he targets a single port and tries to exploit the server. He don't scan for all the ports and find all the what is available in all the ports, because it's a time waste. So let us go here. So like this you can scan all the networks, all the IP address in your local network. Okay, other than that, what do we have here? We have XML report. So we'll see about the XML report here. Same, the command is here, nmap -st -ox. We are replacing the OG with OX, and balance commands are the same: 192.168.10.0/24 result. Now you go for VV. It is for double verbose. Double verbose means it shows result even clear and even detailed. Result underscore XML dot XML, because we need it in the XML report. So enter. Sorry, I enter the subnet IP ranges wrongly. 100.0. Okay, now it's okay. See, scan gets completed. Now let's see about the output file. See, here's our XML file. This is the output for the XML. See, it has a reason no response, state is down, 192.168.1.1 address is down, .2, .3 is down. Same, as the previous output, but it shows in the XML format. Why we are getting this result in XML format? Because we need to analyze the data and prepare a report for it. By using a simple log file or text file, it is very difficult to create a report and a chart and everything and all. So for that purpose, we are using the XML to analyze the data. We have some tools like some tools for analyzing the XML. We'll see in the future videos. So that's it for today's video. I hope if you like it, give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out the future videos. Thank you.